Rue! Metric! Rue! I hear you! I'm coming!
I can't believe this! We were all together! And now,
I can look further.
I've searched everywhere!
Rue! Help me! I woke up in the forest like this! I'm see-through!
How do I survive without my friends?
What? Rue! I'm right here!
We will work together to find them.
Genie, why can't you see me?
There's no other answer. Since the RTÉ fight, they must both be gone.
It went right through me! I'm invisible. I'm a spirit.
I consider that unlikely.
Metric! You can hear me!
Yes, hence I am talking to you, as is the act of communication.
Then why can't Rue and Genie?
I don't know. I tried getting their attention too, but we're not spirits. The RTÉ explosion has rendered us invisible somehow.
Genie, what was that?
Scanning. Odd.
What's up?
A brief anomaly.
That's us! We're here!
It must be from the storm.
No, it's us!
The storm of Tyrannus approaches.
The what?
Tyrannus is a winged serpent. She is very powerful.
She lives in the storm?
Yes. Must try to find Umba and Metric again before she arrives.
No, Genie. We have to face it. They're gone. It's always the same. Whenever I get close to anyone, I lose them.